Jiu-Jitsu Club, Sophia Vukusavljevic from C3MA. Please report to mat coordinator number 1 in the weight area.
Attention youth Nogi, 14 and 15 years old, 100 to 105 pounds, Reese Lee from On Guard Jiu-Jitsu. Reese Lee, find ring coordinator number 9. Attention competitors for youth Nogi, skill 4, ages 9 and 10, 80 to 89 pounds. I'm looking for Harlow Jones with Gentle Human BJJ and Demetrius Chico with Gracie Barra Edmonds. See ring coordinator 12.
Attention athletes following youth Nogi, skill 3, 15-year-olds, Lucas Coleman, Casey Watts, Cameron Steele. Youth Nogi, skill 3, 15 males, 127 to 132. Lucas, Casey, Cameron, please find ring coordinator 6.
Attention competitors, I'm looking for Mino Lee LeBlanc from GB Tacoma and Jaden Hayes from Matrix BJJ Academy. Mino Lee LeBlanc and Jaden Hayes, please find ring coordinator 11. Mino Lee LeBlanc and Jaden Hayes, please find ring coordinator 11.